to our channel Canadian Parinde. I'm Prachi and today Deepak, Arsha and I, we are going to IKEA to shop for some home decoration stuff and furniture, and we thought of taking you guys along with us in vlogging. So guys, like you already know, IKEA has two parts. It has the marketplace and the warehouse. We always love to start from the marketplace. We love to go there first because we can get to see the product in real life and how they have actually displayed it. Later on, if we really like it, we can pick it up from the warehouse. First section that we started is for the living room. Now we already have two accent chair and one sofa. We prefer to have just one sofa because sofa take more space than the accent chair, and between the accent chair you still have a space to walk or put anything. I love this modern chair. It has the feel of that real wood and the fabric, which is very much in trend these days. This is modern, chic, and it's at the great price for such accent chair versus what we were getting at Urban Barn for close to $1,000. This is another accent chair we were debating about. Now this comes in a grey color and the beige color. The beauty of this, it can go into any single room, whether it's our living room or the study room or even the bedroom.
The quick mantra that we follow for coming IKEA is have a reminder of 1 hour. 1 hour reminder that you have to go out, stick to your list. Never go out of your list, otherwise you will be spending whole day here and your whole day is like IKEA. So basically I'm looking for some very cheap armchairs for the basement, making a lounge area. $59, not too bad.
By now on our channel, we only have been talking about how you can buy the house, how we saved it, share our experience, how we actually look for the house. But you know what? Once you actually got a house, you need to decorate it, you need to put up furniture, and nothing comes cheap. Everything is damn so expensive. Heading to the lighting section. So guys, in 2020 and 2021, jute is all over the place and it's so much in trend, whether it's a planter or the lights or even the tables. Whether you are renting or you actually want to buy the lights for your house, they have some amazing, beautiful collection that suits everyone's budget.
So this is the one that we actually liked. This is the jute one. I think Richie wanted to have a jute one, right?
Yeah.
So this is $99, pretty good size. The only thing, it has only one bulb in it, so it's probably not enough light.
Guys, I find IKEA is the best place to buy cushions. They are so reasonable, so cheap. The cover are just like $4.99 or $2.49, depends upon which you want to buy. Sometimes guys, they have a deal on floor which is not available on their website. Of course, the deal vary from location to location. We are at Burlington location and I saw this giant beautiful bookshelf that perfectly go in our study room theme. The quality was so strong, it was sturdy. It's amazing, and that too on half the price for $54.99. Oh, love it! In our new house, we want to switch our current fabric sofa to something with a leather. Now 2021 is all about leather and slim look, and guys, we were in love with this leather sofa Murabbo. Leather quality on this sofa is amazing. It's so much top notch, almost similar to what we have seen at Urban Barn. Another great thing about this sofa, the legs come in two styles. We can choose either the wooden legs or the metal legs. I don't think so we can go wrong either way. The kitchen area is something to die for, but for today's visit, we restricted ourselves only to living area or to Arsha's room. And you know what? I won't lie, but I was still able to grab few things from the kitchen selection. Now it's time to go to a baby section. So you guys probably already know we have been working on Arshia's room from quite some time, and on this visit we wanted to get some decorative item for her room. At this stage we are trying to move her from crib to actually her own bed. Yeah, that's the beauty of this crib. At this age what really works well for her, and probably with your toddlers too, all she wants to have are things around her in which she has an interest. So does your kid ask for a bed sheet with cartoons or with car? Yeah, IKEA got that. So guys, in my opinion, IKEA has some of the best, beautiful, good quality quilts and the bed sheet that I have ever bought. I'm gonna buy this Len Comforter for Arsha, and it's just for $15. So guys, it's a one-time investment. I can change the covers because IKEA offers so many duvet covers. Got this beautiful set because Arsha loves cars and fruit so much. So this is a set of 4 which actually has one blanket, one bed sheet and one duvet cover, which is a quilt cover. So this is a perfect great package to get your toddler started with her or his own bed, and this was just like $24. What's a perfect deal? Apart from this, I also got her a couple of more sheets and her very first own quilt. Next item, I'm not sure whether it's new at IKEA, but at least we have never seen this pastel color cutlery for the toddlers. Have you seen them, by the way? I was in love with this pastel color comparison to the bright colors that we have bought for Arsha in the past. These are perfect for any outing or picnic or even using at home. They are unbreakable, and look at the colors, they are so amazing. Picking some colors for our sheet. With the IKEA, we all think IKEA is good for the rental apartment units where you can find cheap stuff, cheap furniture, cheap home decoration. But here is a thing not many people knows about it. In IKEA, you can find really good quality stuff worth for the money, in that too half the price of versus what you are getting outside in any other stores. But all you need to have is a good eye to know about those items. Next area, we are going to look for the rugs. There are tons of rugs available, and if you have been following us on Instagram, you know that we are on a hunt for a perfect jute rug. It's really hard to get your hands on nice jute rug, and that too within the budget. I've never seen that in person before, so I really wanted to go and check the quality of it before actually putting an offer. And you know what, to our surprise, I found they have now the another range of jute rug, which is way more amazing, beautiful and durable than the Loha. And the best part is you can actually use it inside and outside, so perfect for our backyard time as well. So guys, if you're not aware of, with IKEA you have to pay the shipping charges for each and every item. It does not go per order just like any other store. It goes per item. So we try to restrain the online delivery only to those big items that we actually cannot bring home in our car. Guys, just to let you know, I'm taking off my mask before speaking on camera. Before we actually go for the final round of billing, I'm just making sure we have everything right, and all the extras that we got, we left it in the back. So a lot of things that got filtered out. So guys, we are back. You know what really helped us in IKEA? That we will stick with our list. We really recommend, if you are going to IKEA anytime soon, make your list because they have all the items on website. We bought few decorative items for the house, and we wanted IKEA to get open so that we can have a look at the furniture that we are really interested in. So that really helps, and that was the most time consuming thing for us. But other than that, We were right on time. Instead of 1 hour, we just took 20 extra minutes because there was a big lineup for billing. Voila. That helped for us. So next time if you're going to IKEA, stick with the list.